In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude with Airtable. Claude can work with Airtable in a few different ways, including through a connector, an API, or an automation setup. The exact method you use may depend on what tools are available in your account, but the overall goal is the same. Giving Claude access to structured Airtable data so it can help you read, summarize, organize, or even update information more efficiently. To get started, open Airtable and prepare the base that Claude will use. This part is important because the quality of the results depends a lot on how clearly your data is organized. Make sure the base you want to use is ready, that the tables are easy to understand, and that the fields contain the information Claude will need to work with. If your base has multiple tables, take a moment to confirm which one is relevant for the task you want to complete. Next, connect Claude to Airtable if the connector is available in your setup. In some environments, this may be a direct connector, while in others, it could involve using an API or an automation platform. The key idea here is simply to establish a working connection between Claude and your Airtable data source so that Claude can interact with it in a useful way. Once the connection is in place, allow Claude to access the correct workspace or base. This step matters because even if the connection exists, Claude still needs permission to work with the specific Airtable content you want it to use. Be careful to choose the right base and confirm that the access level matches your intended task. After that, you can begin prompting Claude. Ask it to read records, summarize information, organize data into a clearer format, or update Airtable content depending on your workflow. The more specific your instructions are, the better the output will usually be. Clear prompts help Claude understand exactly what you want done with the data. Before making any major changes, review the results in Airtable. This is a good habit, especially when Claude is helping with structured data. Double-check summaries, confirm updates, and make sure everything looks correct before relying on the final version. Once everything is working properly, you can use this Claude and Airtable setup for research, planning, summaries, and other structured tasks. It's a practical workflow that can save time and make large sets of information easier to manage.